So this video, it's not going to be anything special. I just wanted to share with you guys what's going on in my head. I've been losing money 3 months in a row, and it has nothing to do with the recession because I trade in the currency market. But basically, I've been doing a lot of reflecting, and I noticed that, trading is 80% psychological, right? So I just recently read this book, really good read. But before I talk about that, I just want to share what's going on in my head. Basically, a lot of things that are tied to my losses get amplified, right? So sometimes my self-esteem is low. Sometimes, I'm just like playing tricks on myself, self-sabotaging. And it just reminds me that I haven't made any progress. But in all reality, I actually have made progress. I moved to a brand new city, I have a brand new place, and I have a really good lifestyle. But in my head, mentally, I feel like I'm programmed to, not really see the success that I have encountered. So, and what that does basically, it sets me back mentally, because now I'm sabotaging or looking for opportunities in that state of mind, right? That self-worth state of mind, that low self-worth state of mind, or my low self-esteem state of mind, or I'm not good enough in the markets state of mind, right? And so every single day, when I get up for London session or New York session, I'm looking for opportunities in this state of mind. And so this book that I've been reading, it's called Cybernetics, and it's wonderful. It's all about how our mind is programmed to go after goals, and it's basically like a set it and forget it, right? So through action, you're able to, set your goals, hit your goals, but the human brain is wired to think about everything and analyze everything. And that's what the whole entire book is about. It's amazing. It's really helping me a lot, because sometimes I just have bad days. I have bad weeks, that affects my whole trading experience. So if you're out there having a hard time, or maybe you feel like you've been trading for 2 or 3 years and you haven't really seen any growth or changes, don't beat yourself up. You know what I mean? Don't think about it too much. Just stay in the game and continue to stick to the script, stick to whatever strategy you have, because it's going to get better at the end of the day. I just want to share this with you because I feel like I've been going through a lot emotionally, and it's crazy. You know what I mean? A lot of the times I just want to show the good stuff, but I've been losing money in the markets 3 months in a row. Just been feeling really stagnant. And so for anybody out there that's looking for a little bit of positivity or just a little bit of hope, just don't give up, man. I mean, you've probably improved your skill sets. You probably got better with your strategy. Maybe you found another community, and things are on the up and up. Just don't quit. This is a journey. It's a marathon, not a sprint. And what I would recommend is Cybernetics. It's wonderful. I'm gonna provide the Amazon link in the description below. You can read it on Audible as well. But we're all in this together, and I just really hope that I touch someone today, because I don't know, 2020 has been crazy. 2021, the pandemic, 2022. There's shootings going on. There's just a lot of negativity, right? There's a war in Ukraine. Russia is attacking Ukraine. So it's just there's so much negative stuff happening. We're being constantly stimulated with negative stuff, and that seeps into our subconscious mind. And what I've been learning lately is that we unconsciously think about how not good enough we are. Well, at least me, right? And it's because I'm just so hard on myself that I forget to look at the positives. So anybody out there that is just kind of really hard on themselves, just look at the positives. Be grateful, that you have another opportunity to make money in the markets. Be grateful that you woke up. Be grateful that you actually have a laptop, you have Wi-Fi to actually day trade, right? Those are blessings that people in third world countries don't even have. So if you really think about the resources and the blessings that you actually have, it can change your frame of mind from a negative to a positive just by having that, just by being grateful. So yeah, guys, that's all I got. You know, my mood was kind of messed up and I just wanted to get off my chest. But this book is it's just great. The biggest takeaway that I got from Psycho-Cybernetics is we're like a heat-seeking missile, right? Or we're like a missile that has a specific target. And once you set that target, it's gonna go after that target, right? But if it goes off course, it's gonna course correct to move back to that target. And, you know, right now, a lot of people are, you know, trying to course correct when the goal is already on target, right? Your goal is already on target. So that missile is already on target. There's no need to course correct or improve or, you know, modify anything because it's already locked in, right? And that's what Psycho-Cybernetics is about. And what it really talks about is once you set that target, once your goal, right, your missile is locked in, the only time it course correct is when it's off. And you can course correct through action. That is the only time you're actually going to be able to make improvements is by waking up every single day, you know, making your bed, brushing your teeth, being disciplined, you know, staying disciplined with your trading plan, because those are things that's going to help you course correct. If you mentally think about course correcting or improving or modifying, right, then your missile is going to move its target somewhere else, and that's going to throw you off. So it's a really good illustration of how your subconscious mind is already programmed to get you to your goals. And so I would highly recommend it. I'm kind of going on a rant right now, but I just want you guys to win. I felt compelled to just share this with you guys. Okay, so hopefully that helped you out a little bit. My name is Nate Barnes, and I just want you guys to win. If you don't have a community and you feel kind of lonely out there, maybe you feel stuck, feel free to join my Slack community. It's absolutely free. I'll provide it in the description below. You know, we talk about London session, New York session, we share trade ideas. That way we can all capitalize on the market. So feel free to join, and I'll see you on the other side.